Consider the following formula. Which of the following statements is true for this formula? To solve this question, we first need to put our variables in terms of one another, so get them on opposite sides of the equal sign. We can do that by subtracting 2n from both sides. That would give us m is equal to, these two n's would cancel, giving us m equals negative 2n. This is our new equation that'll make it easier for us to tell which statements are true. First, we can start with answer choice C. M is always equal to n. This will never be true because we are always multiplying n by negative 2. So even if we plugged in the same value for both m and n, we said 2 is equal to negative 2 times 2, that would never be a true statement. So we can go ahead and eliminate answer choice C. Oops. There we go. Answer choice C. Then we need to think of some different values that we could plug in for n or m to test out answer choices A and B. Let's say I'm going to try to get a value of n that is greater than m. So if I plugged in a positive number here, if I plugged in a positive 2, a positive times a negative will give me a negative. I'll have m equals negative 2 times 2, which would be m equals negative 4. And negative 4 is less than 2, not greater than 2. So m, in this case, has a lower value than n. We didn't disprove that one, but we did disprove answer choice A. M always has to be greater. That is incorrect. Now, if we tried to get an answer where m is actually greater than n, we could do that by plugging in a negative number. Let's say negative 2 would give us m equals negative 2 times negative 2. A negative times a negative will give us a positive, which is always greater than the negative number we plugged in. So that disproves answer choice B. M always has to be lower than the value of n. By process of elimination, that leaves us with answer choice D, our correct answer.